Hello people from all over the world, welcome to this channel. So today in this channel, guys, we are going to learn more about animals. Okay, animals in Kirundi is ibikoko. Okay, when it's an animal, you call it igikoko. Igikoko. Okay, animals ibikoko, animal igikoko. Most of the time when we talk about pets and wild animals, so those are referred as ibikoko. Okay, you call them ibikoko. 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 But when we talk about farm animals, in this case, we are talking about ibitungwa. 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 Okay? So, for this part 1, we are going to focus much on pets and wild animals. Let's start with cat. Cat is Akayabu. Akayabu. Okay, it's the same case as cats, which is utuyabu. Utuyabu. Okay, when we talk about dog, dog is Imbwa. Imbwa. Even when we talk about dogs, it doesn't change, it's the same as Imbwa. 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 When you talk about rabbit, rabbit in Kirundi is Agakwavu. 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 Okay, Agakwavu. When it's plural, rabbit in Kirundi is Inkwavu. Inkwavu. Let's talk about elephant. Elephant in Kirundi is Inzovu. Inzovu. Even when there are many elephants is the same Inzovu. Inzovu. It doesn't change. Inzovu. Okay, Inzovu. Inzovu. It doesn't change. Okay. Let's talk about gorilla. Gorilla is Imamfu. Imamfu. Even when it's in plural, it doesn't change. Gorilla is the same Imamfu. Okay, you get it? Let's talk about hippopotamus or hippos. Hippopotamus in Kirundi is Imvubu. 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 Whether in plural or singular, it doesn't change, it's the same Imvubu. A lion in Kirundi is Intare. 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 Even when they are lions, they don't change. It's the same. Intare. Intare. Okay. When it's a tiger, tiger is Ingwe. Ingwe. Okay, whether they are tigers, they remain the same, is Ingwe. Ingwe. Let's talk about leopard. Leopard in Kirundi is Imfyisi. Imfyisi. Okay? Imfyisi. Imfyisi. Even when there are many leopards, okay, they still the same. Imfyisi. Imfyisi. Okay? Imfyisi. Let's talk about monkey. Monkey or monkeys the same is Inkende. 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 Let's talk about the chimpanzee. Whether there are many or not, they still be Inguge. 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 Chimpanzee is Inguge. Okay? The mouse or rat is the same. Imbwebwe. Imbwebwe. Whether there are many or not, they still the same. Imbwebwe. Okay? Let's talk about the tortoise. Tortoise is Ikinyamasye. 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 Okay? So when there are many tortoises, you call them Ikinyamasye. 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 Okay? Let's talk about antelope. Antelope, whether there are many or it's one, is Imhongo. 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 A crocodile. Crocodile, whether there are many or not, or one, they are still the same, is Ingona. 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 Crocodile, Ingona. Snake is Inzoka. Inzoka. Where there are when it's one snake or many snakes, they are the same. Inzoka. Inzoka. Lizard is Umuserebanyi. 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 Lizard, Umuserebanyi. Okay, frog. Frog is Agasanuka. Agasanuka. Okay. Toad is Igikere. Igikere. Owl is Igihuna. Igihuna. So we are talking about birds here. Okay. Bird is, in Kirundi we call them inyoni. Whether it's one bird or many birds, they still inyoni. 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 A parrot. Parrot is gasuku. Gasuku. When we talk about fox, fox is Imbwebwe. 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 Fox, Imbwebwe. The camel or camels is Indogoba. 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 The horse is Imfyisi. Imfyisi. Okay? Imfyisi. So thank you very much. Thank you. Murakoze. Murakoze. See you in the next lesson. This was the part 1 of the animals. So make sure when you are learning here, you take notes. Okay? Make sure you have somewhere to note down this, because it's very, very important. So if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing so you don't miss anything from this channel. So see you in the next lesson.